flip, bro. I just
Where's my
wasted all
ammo?
my money on shotgun ammo, bro.
Everybody do the weenus!
The weenus.
The weenus is a dance. Everybody is a genius who knows it in advance. Everybody do the weenus! The weenus is a dance. Everybody is a genius who knows it in advance.
Why didn't you help me out? Damn. Come on, keep going in there. Keep going further. Keep going further. Don't shoot me. You fucking idiot. Oh, bro fucking died. Bro fucking died to Bonner.
No, I'm shotgun in the front. No! Shotgun! That's loaded!
Can we go to Haunted Mission? Can we go to Haunted Mission?
Yeah.
No, he's gonna kill me! I will trust his ass.
Oh, I just bought that backpack.
Honestly, I'm going to Haunted Mansion.
I don't care.
I just threw it.
What's up, guys?
That's just a map.
He stole your shotgun. He stole your
Do the
shotgun.
Venus right now.
So I don't know about you, but I'm gonna kill this fuck. I'm gonna kill this fuck.
Yeah, we got the same fucking.
Sing the Venus song. Sing the Venus song.
Everybody do the weenus!
I was the whole time asking for you help, but you didn't came. You didn't came. You never came. You never came. No. You never came.
But I'm gonna damn kill you.
Oh, you have 70,000.
I'm gonna kill them.
Hold on.
Whoever
kill
says do the Venus, I'm gonna damn kill you. What happened if I kill? No. If you empty my backpack, take your time.
Damn, that's expensive.
Is there?
Damn.
Is there? Oh!
You know, I will just give you some grenades, okay? You want grenades? Yeah, you have one.
Ice VR, you okay?
Bro, I fucking hate you.
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Damn.
Bro, are you pranking everybody?
I'm not gonna prank you.
I should.
Damn it!
No, bro, I'll give that. Yeah. That one. Yeah, you be shaking that ass.
Someone
people
go
can
in
see
it.
that.
Someone go in it.
I'm not stupid. I'm not doing that.
Oh! Oh, you trickster! Oh, you trickster! Oh, you trickster!
Well, I'm in the backpack. What's in the backpack?
Nothing. There's nothing in here.
Let's see that
There's
backpack.
something
There's
skibbity in
backpack.
there.
Hold on.
Buddy,
Go
the
put on a
skibbity.
mine. Go put on a landmine.
So, skip yo, bro.
Skibbity.
Skibbity gaga.
Skibbity. Yo. Skibbity. You know, I feel like pranking someone today. Give me that backpack. You know, there's nothing in here. Like, I'm
I know.
broke. So,
I know.
Oh, you're broke?
So you're
Bro,
gonna win.
what is that? Like 300k?
I'm broke. Just
Someone save me from this place.
No!
yeah, keep wasting ammo on me, you idiot.
In the back of my mind. Yeah. I still know what you're doing, though. I see the pins on the ground. I'm not stupid. There's
That
pins
was
right
yours.
here.
That was literally yours. Yo, bro, get that shit. Get that shit. Drop it. Drop it. Drop that. Okay, we'll go drop it in here. Let's just see.
Is it in there? Hold on, let me see. Is it in there?
It's not.
No, I'm not trusting shit right now.
You can't put it
I'm
up
not
to
even
the
trusting that gas man. It's not even in here. You have it.
Yo.
You have it. So you have it.
I love.
Wait, how do you twist? Wait, how do you like just do this?
That Sigma.
And I'm. Oh yeah, bro. Go shaking.
You're here.
Go shaking, biting it.
Okay, buddy. Back on my way.
No, why is the word flashlight marked as that price? Yo,
Y'all are pussy. Y'all are hard mention. Y'all are.
funny number. Funny number. Funny number.
Yo, bro. Yo.
I'm not trusting.
Gas mace. Gas face. No, let me see. Let me see your money. What a race. That's what I
Yeah, bro. Here, first shotgun.
Shit, follow me.
Follow me.
Follow me.
No, bro, just look. Don't follow him. I will follow him. I'll be the one
fair.
with that.
Bring us coming for your ass.
Oh, I love my life. I love my skibbity.
Skibbity giant.
Bro, I'm back. Yo, Blue, can I have my back? Yo, thanks. Yeah, you can keep. He just wasted his ammo on me.
Everybody do the weenus. The
How much money?
everybody.
How much money do you have? Let's see how much money you have, bro.
Yo, hold on. Let's go visit the Bok chick.
I'm not fighting the chicken.
Boom.
Chick. Yo, y'all want anything from the gas station? Y'all want anything from the gas station?
But they're not working. Just not working.
Are y'all sure y'all don't want
How much
anything
money
from
do you have?
Everybody do the weenus.
Bro, I swear.
This is me and a different guy.
You?
I gotta get hooked to it. Anyway, I'm gonna get back in spot. I'm gonna leave.
Yo, I'm gonna tell you what they have at the gas. Alright, do you want a pogo stick? Do you want an umbrella? Do you want a plunger? Do you want a whoopee cushion? A dog?
I want all of them. Give me everything you got.
I don't have that much money. Well,
I'm making you stop there. Ah!
Bro, I swear, green is so annoying.
Fiend.
Bro, I'm using green, bro. No, I'm blocking green, bro. It's doing
Fiend. Your stuff is still there, whatever, I don't even care. This is goofy. This kid's goofy. I don't even know what I'm saying. And he's good like our skibbity.
Send 250 nuts. Where's Nate? Where's Nate at? Oh,
What the
I
fuck?
threw up there.
I really don't
Yeah,
really like that.
that's
Oh yeah, thanks.
No!
Oh!
Where's my backpack? Sigma.
Okay. Yeah, you wanted that,
My
right?
battery's getting low,
Huh?
and soon it'll be
My
my
screen
time
is
to
all
go.
How much money do you have?